am Chrissy Lindsay. I work for Red Hat, which is a global open source software company. We have contact center users in about 14 different locations, US, APAC, EMEA, India, all around the world, and we have about 500 contact center associates right now, and that ranges from reception to customer service to our global support team. As Red Hat has grown into a more global company, our technology, our legacy systems were not keeping up with that. We had call routing, we had contact centers in all these different locations, but we didn't have good support for reporting and for giving our contact center associates the same experience everywhere. As we moved to Genesys, we were able to really consolidate the experience and really allow our associates to have the same experience, and then allow our managers to start speaking the same language and using the same tools to manage their teams and understand their true workload. Genesys has been very good about building on the Red Hat platform, which is great for both of us. It allows us to really work together and really solve some interesting problems. The other thing that we really liked about the Genesys solution is the cloud offering and the disaster recovery ability that it gave us. It's one of the best things about the Genesys implementation. We have built a great disaster recovery plan. We have an any-to-any situation now. Any agent from anywhere at any time can do their work. If we lose one of our centers, or if Genesys loses one of their centers, everything fails over beautifully, automatically. We don't lose any agent statistics. We don't lose reporting. We don't drop calls in progress. And if an agent needs to move from the North America instance over to the EMEA instance for maintenance or whatever, that agent's call stats from that day are still part of their call stats. So they just log back in and everything just fills in automatically, and it's amazing. We've never had anything this level of detail before, and that comes from working so closely with Genesys to develop the solution. It was really, really great to see the two companies really come together and actually resolve the problems and think about what was best, not just for Red Hat, not just for Genesys, but how Red Hat could help Genesys make good decisions to make this a true global offering for even more people and to help the platform grow on both sides. Now that we've been live for a few months, the agents are much happier. The engineers are getting cases that they're suited to get. The teams are able to overflow calls from different geographic locations much easier, and they're able to really support each other and really become one true global team. Daylight saving time for years has been a struggle for my team because you have to touch every script, every routing table to make sure that you don't miss any of the call routing time of day rules. We don't have to do that anymore. We have one device that handles all the business rules through Genesys, through the cloud, one set of rules, and this device knows when daylight saving time is, and it pretty much does it all for us. Genesys is the best vendor I've ever worked with at getting to the heart of what the customer really needs.